Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Culture Kitchen. Today we have a spectacular dish for you called fried rice. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell, guys. To start off, we're gonna need mixed vegetables, which we can get at our nearest grocery store. And then we're gonna need onions, 3 or more garlic cloves, cooked and chilled rice, soy sauce or Worcester sauce, and finally butter, egg, and sesame oil, or any other oil of your choice. First, what you're gonna want to do, take the butter and put it in your pan and wait for the butter to start melting. When your butter is melted, go ahead and add in the minced garlic and the diced onions. Let them sit in the pan and let them brown a little before adding anything else. When the garlic and the onion finishes to brown, go ahead and add your mixed vegetables and also let them stay in there so they can get the flavor of the onion and the garlic. Now what you want to do, go ahead and add in some black pepper and salt to give it some nice flavor. You don't want it to be flavorless, so go ahead and add in your black pepper and salt. Guys, after you're done putting in the black pepper, go ahead and add in your rice and your soy sauce. If you don't have soy sauce, you can use Worcester sauce, which is what I'm using. Guys, it's a perfectly good substitution for soy sauce. If you don't have it, go ahead and use your Worcester sauce. I also added some Creole seasoning. This just adds more flavor to the rice and makes it a lot better. So now, guys, after putting the Creole seasoning on the rice, you want to put your chosen oil. Like I said, you can use whichever one. You can use avocado oil, olive oil, any kind of oil. Sesame oil, I guess. Now what you want to do is put in your egg and what's this called? There's a name for this, but I forgot. So make sure you don't have to cook it all the way because it will cook in the rice. So once you've got it, just put it in the rice, and then what you're gonna do is mix it into the rice so that with every bite you take, you can get some egg in there too. And this is pretty much it, guys. You now have fried rice. So I'm just gonna plate it right now so you guys can get a closer look, and then that'll be it. Look at that nice looking fried rice, and it tastes just as good as it looks, guys. Now if you liked this video and if you think that you could make this easily, comment in the comment description. But most importantly, like and subscribe because we really need it, guys. This has been Kulture Kitchen. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.